love playing rugby with my big brother.
Nice snacks.
I'm really good at kicking. I can throw up the ball really high. Sometimes I go at the roof.
Well done, Naki. Almost on the roof there.
I like to practice with my rugby team. I really love playing rugby. I love getting points and stuff so my team can win.
My little brother's getting really good at rugby. I'll give him lots of encouragement.
Well done, Naki.
We try to see how much time we can throw the ball without dropping it.
11.
We got up to 19.
I want to see how high I can throw, Naki.
I play rugby in a team too. I love practicing rugby with my little brother.